Hey, what's up, guys? So, I know it's been a while since I upload something, and to be honest, I'm actually running out of ideas. I'm I'm hella busy. I'm
exhausted, and as you can tell, I am exhausted. Work, dance, just my daily life and all that. So I'm trying to put more into my videos now. Hopefully that I start uploading more every single week, like I always did. But because of my tight schedule with work and YouTube, it's really difficult. But thank you guys so much for sticking around with me and just watching my other videos. It's a big help to see that there's still people watching my videos and they're commenting and all that. So I have this thing. I don't know why my shit keeps on right now, but yeah, I
This is not sponsored or anything. I just do this because I really love their site. So, I ordered a Nedroid, as you can tell from the title. I ordered from Tokyo Taku Mode. I actually pre-ordered this Nedroid. Before I go on with the unboxing, the box is actually empty. I already unboxed him. He's on my shelf right now. So after the details, so I got this from Tokyo Otaku Mode. Their website is otakumode.com. I'll put all the info in the description box down below. So he went up in pre-order, I believe May 23rd or May 22nd, I believe, where for all the stateside there. I bought him on the day he came out on Otaku Mode. It actually says the time that I ordered him. So I pre-ordered him on May 23rd, 2017 at 4:05 a.m. What was I thinking? But honestly, this character is like my favorite character. Him and Kuro is one of my top favorite captains and like my favorite characters. So he went up for $44.99, 45 bucks. I paid $10.19 for shipping, and then I believe I used a discount. I don't know. I guess it's my Tom points that I use, but I ended up paying $44.84, and they shipped him on December 21st, 2017, and I got him not too long ago. He actually came in 2 days ago, and I wasn't able to pick up my package, so I ended up picking him up later today. So I actually unboxed it, and so I don't want to talk about anything else, but I don't want this intro to get any longer. But all of the info about Tokyo Taku Mode and how much you can get like Daichi and other Nendoroids, I'll put everything in the description box down below. You can check them on their website. I'll put everything in the description box down below. Yeah, so let's do this. Let's unbox. So let's go. I am so happy on how he turned out. Guys, I've never been this happy. Oh my god. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful 2018. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm so happy. Bye, guys.